What's up guys, it's Denodon here, and today I'm taking a look at Space Engine, which is a simple free little game, I suppose you could call it, made by one guy, and basically it's an entire universe that you can just explore and do whatever you want. So right now we're just kind of sitting over this planet. It's just some random one, I think it's randomly generated. Got nice aurora there, or northern lights. And you can see another Earth-like planet just right there, because these two are actually pretty much orbiting each other. So they're a binary. So let's descend, and you can see what makes this game great is that it not only does all of space, it does the terrain as well. So now we're on the surface of this planet. It is, you can see, pretty empty, but we can turn our velocities around and we can move around on its surface. So you can see, look, the frame rate drops a little bit here, though that should be fixed in actual output. But I mean, look at that lovely bit of terrain generation. And of course, if you're bored, you can just start going up, and then if we hit plus, we can keep increasing our speed on the top there. Ooh, nice bit of fog. And we are now out of the atmosphere of the planet, or at least the lower part, and there we go, we've got an Earthrise, only it wasn't Earth. That's just beautiful, I think, and look at that. I mean, this game is simply gorgeous, and it's just great for exploring. And the best thing is, you can go anywhere, like see this stars, I can click on that, and then say I want to go there. But let's go have a look at this one right here, Warm Terror, and let's fly to it. So if we gotta remember, if I can remember what the key is, it should be G, yep, there we go. Now we're gonna fly over to Warm Terror. Goodbye, other planet. We can't look around behind us, unfortunately, but we can have a look at what this one is. So now we've arrived to this planet, and we can start flying around with this as soon as it gives me control back. There we go. Got some kind of storm there, you can see. Hurricane, more northern lights. We've all got some like oceans there with some interesting shaped islands, and then if we look behind us, there's the planet we came from, sitting on the horizon, and there's the galactic plane, very nice. So let's go down, let's see what the surface of this planet is like, shall we? We might want to slow ourselves down in velocity, because you can see we're travelling rather quick. We're still going quick. Oh, there's like some big kind of volcano, I'm guessing there. Oh, we went into it. And yeah, we're on the surface is generating at the moment, so it's taken a bit of its time. This would probably be faster if you've got a better graphics card than I have. But yeah, we can look at this. We've got the atmosphere here is 21 times the atmosphere of Earth, I'm assuming that means. But gravity is about the same. Greenhouse effect is apparently 101 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty damn hot here. So maybe not a place you want to be, but I don't know. What is this? Let's have a look at what this is. We've got, I'm assuming this is like some kind of crater, because you know, you look at this here, maybe this was an impact site, maybe it was a volcano, those channels, maybe? I don't know. We've got quite a long orbital period if we look at this. Now, if I can remember the right key, it's not that one. There we go, F2, you can see everything that's in this system, so you can see we are here at the moment, I believe. And we can go pretty much wherever. So, this one, is that us? I don't know. It might be, I don't remember how to check in particular. Let's go to the star, actually, why not? So let's click the star and G. Let's have a look at the star. It'll zoom ourselves in. As you can look, the speed increasing on the bottom here. And here we go, and this is the star. Very, very bright, as you would imagine. So we can fly around this as well, just as we can with anything else. It is an orange giant star, so very bright, and you can imagine pretty hot. How hot is it? 3,676.9 degrees Celsius. That's actually pretty low for a star from memory. But yeah, you can't really see anything in the distance here, so let's find... Oh, there's a nebula over there. Let's go... Oh, it's a large Magellanic cloud... something. I don't know, I can't pronounce this stuff. But let's go there, shall we? And look at all those stars whooshing past as we fly towards this cloud. and have a look at what's inside it, shall we? So, cruising on in. Oh, look at those colours. That looks quite beautiful on its own, doesn't it? Let's just fly in there as soon as it lets us. Here we go. We're travelling at 760 light years a second at the moment. Oh, look at look at our speed, and we're still so far away from it. Let's pick somewhere inside it, shall we? Let's say there, blue main sequence star, 2 planets, 2 planets. Let's find somewhere with lots of planets. I've got to find a good one though. That's the difficulty. How about that? That's got 3 planets. Let's go there. See what's in there. It's a blue main sequence star, and it's got 3 planets, and the star itself is 52,227 degrees Celsius. So yeah, that one's just a bit hot, I think. But here we go. We're right in the middle of this nebula now, so we've got that all around. I mean, wow. Look at that. I mean, you can't look at that and not say it's pretty. And like I say, one guy made this entire thing. That's just, you know, impressive, no matter how you call it. Bit of lens flare. Let's fly in a bit. 500 AU a second isn't fast enough, apparently. So I want to have a look if we can. Oh, we shot right past. To have a look at this star a bit more. With that interesting effect. Nice bit of music playing in the background. And that, look at those colours. Ooh, there we go. Is that like a binary or something? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's hit see. What systems can we want to go to? We've got no real planets that are habitable. Look at those temperatures. Scorched desert, hot ice giant. That seems kind of contradictory. And a hot desert. Let's go to Scorched Desert. Let's have a look at this one, shall we? Oh, turning around. There's the nice plane there. Turn that off. And we are flying towards it. Let's wait when we actually get to it to see what's there, shall we? Now we can see already it's got pretty decent gravity. The atmosphere is quite high. And yeah, the temperature is very hot. 8 moons apparently. I'm assuming that's one of the moons there. Or is that another planet? No, that's actually another planet. Oh no, it is a moon. I was just reading that wrong. It's a hot desert moon. But let's go have a look at this planet, because, you know, planets are cool, and look at that surface. So let's go, yeah, where's the star? The star's over there. Oh, look at that galaxy, wow. That'd be a cool thing to see in the night sky, don't you think? Actually, I wonder, we won't be able to see that from the atmosphere, I believe. It'll be too far away, but we can have a look. There's the star, ooh, I managed to figure out the star's right there, so let's... Oh, we've gone way too far. We're below the surface, I think. Can we get out? Let's get some speed up. Yep. Oh, wait, maybe this is just... Maybe this isn't thing, that's just the clouds, it's just dust. So, this is, I don't know, kind of an eerie planet, I suppose. Let's get back up. Oh, and look at that. Those are the moons, I'm assuming. Yep, these are all moons. So let's go to this one because it's closest. That'd also be pretty nice to see, I think. But yeah, let's jump on over to it. And so yeah, I'll put a link to this game if you're interested. Like I said, it's totally free. So, you know, why not? It's got mostly randomly generated stuff, but where we do know real things are, it does actually feature them in the game. And yes, of course, the Earth does exist, so if you want to go say hi to Earth, you can. But now I'm just going to enjoy this nice beautiful view here of this purple moon and its star, and say, I'm Denodon, this is Space Engine, safe exploring.